Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:41 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Salt River Indian Community, or near Mesa, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mesa, Scottsdale, Fountain Hills, Mesa Riverview Mall, Granite Reef Dam, Falcon Field Airport, Salt River Indian Community, downtown Mesa, and Fort McDowell. This includes the following highways: Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 174 and 194. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 11 and 23. Arizona Route 101 between mile markers 45 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,